Lyfta claims to be the ultimate workout tracking app, but does it live up to the hype? As someone who's tried countless fitness apps, I'm curious to see if Lyfta truly delivers on its promises or if it's just another overhyped tool. Lyfta positions itself as a comprehensive workout tracking app designed for fitness enthusiasts of all levels. It allows users to log workouts, track progress, and analyze performance over time. The user interface is surprisingly clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate, especially for beginners. Right from the start, you can set personal fitness goals and choose from a variety of workouts, which is a nice touch. What stands out immediately is the app's ability to integrate with various fitness devices, providing real-time stats during your workout. However, I noticed some features felt a bit underdeveloped. For instance, while the analytics look promising, they might not dive deep enough for advanced users who crave detailed insights. Additionally, the community aspect, which could enhance motivation, seems a bit lacking at the moment. Overall, while Lyfta has a solid foundation, there are areas where clarity and depth could improve the user experience. On the plus side, Lyfta's user-friendly design and seamless device integration make it a strong contender for anyone looking to track their fitness journey. The goal-setting feature is great for keeping users motivated. However, there are some downsides to consider. The analytics, while visually appealing, may not satisfy more serious athletes seeking in-depth data. Also, the community features are somewhat limited, which could deter those looking for social motivation. There's also a question of trust. The app is relatively new, and while it shows promise, it doesn't have the extensive user feedback that more established apps do. Pricing could also be a concern for some, depending on the subscription model, as it isn't immediately clear how it stacks up against competitors. In conclusion, Lyfta is worth considering if you're looking for a straightforward workout tracker that's easy to use and integrates well with devices. However, if you're an advanced user seeking deep analytics or a vibrant community, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels like a solid start, but it still has room to grow.